Everyone has the potential to do more, be more, and live more. And unlocking that potential begins with a pure, balanced microbiome. Each of us has a microbiome at the root of our health, and it can help us enjoy the highest level of human performance. But it's endangered every day. We all deal with contaminated environments, poor diet options, and sedentary lifestyles. Affecting the way we feel and live, these factors can disrupt the microbiome and limit our potential. The good news is that we can take action. There are steps we can take to overcome these challenges and achieve elite health. The first step is to purify. After years of testing and careful formulation, the doctors and experts at the Hughes Center for Research and Innovation have developed the Elite Health Purify Kit, a 1-week supply of potent nutrition that empowers the human microbiome so that you can reap the benefits. The Purify Kit takes a dynamic nutritional approach to elite health. Its products work together in a unique way to foster better microbiome balance. The Purify Kit helps the body using natural ingredients that include fibers, broccoli flour, and helpful minerals such as magnesium and zinc. It also provides vegetable protein and healthy fats for complete nutrition. The mineral components of the Purify Kit contribute to the protection of cells from oxidative stress, as well as the normal function of the immune system. Finally, the Purify Kit works to support proper energy levels and valuable electrolyte balance, which primes the body to optimize any health program. Importantly, the Purify Kit has been shown to support proper cardiovascular function. At the same time, the Purify Kit gives you a valuable supply of good microbes to support microbiome function. These good microbes are key to creating the healthy balance our bodies need to thrive. For too long, the bacteria inside us has been ignored and impaired. Now, with Purify, it's getting the attention it deserves to give us the performance we've been missing. An effective and revolutionary regimen, the Purify Kit is the first step towards unlocking your potential and achieving elite health.